Hey everyone, it's Zai, and I'm doing something different today, I guess. I have some Just For Men beard dye, and I'm gonna try to dye mostly my mustache, my goatee. Oh, fucking wish me luck. This is gonna end bad and I'm gonna have stain face, and that's why I'm doing it right before the weekend so I don't have to go to class like that. I really hope that works. I need to like chunk it all up.
He wants to buy pictures of my feet. I do commissions. I do any color nail polish. I can clean these bitches up, oil them up.
Oil?
Whatever you want.
The fuck are you gonna oil?
Custom commissions. Hit me up.
I really don't want my whole chin to get stained, so.
Who's dad? When is the barbecue? Oh hell, this is the shot. Oh baby. Yes, this is the angle. Hell yeah.
I'm wearing that big dick, and for some reason, it works really well on me. Like, I really didn't expect that. Like,
Because you're big dick energy.
Like, it works. I think it's my new favorite. I think it's the one I'm gonna start wearing now.
Wow. While you're waiting, think about ordering a commission for these bad boys. Oh, daddy.
What's up, partner? My forearms have always been nice, though, let's be honest, so.
When your hair goes, you'll still have your forearms.
I don't like them that much.
Hey, it's something you like about you. And your eyelashes.
I have to stay on Latisse or they're gonna go away. Oh my god, it actually dyed my mustache. Like, it actually significantly dyed it, though.
That's good.
Not sure if that's a stain or my mustache. The final look.
Yeah.
I really have the weirdest mustache shape in relation to my mouth. Like, what's going on? This is mostly not stained. It's mostly my mustache being dyed. Oops, I did it. Oh. You want to keep the gay. Keep the gay. Thank you for helping me get this mustache. Let's get this mustache.
Let's get this beard.
I'm trying. You going in my video, I hope you know that.